Has been repeating ad nauseum a false, baseless, ridiculous, fictional story about me since February of this year. He, in many times in public, had said that on 10th September he will reveal all the facts. 10th September has come, 10th September has gone. Chief Minister of Assam till today has not given one shred of evidence to back his fictional claims, his wild and baseless allegations. And therefore, his own credibility today is zero. Why? Because he himself since February has said, wait till 10th September, he'll give all the facts with respect to my case. He has failed to do that. On the other hand, I have made a commitment, and the Congress party has made a commitment, that on 10th of September and subsequently on the 10th of every month, we will have an induction into the Congress party from BJP. And we have kept our word. On 10th September, BJP leaders joined our Congress party. On 10th October, BJP leaders joined our Congress party. And on 10th November also, BJP leaders are going to join our Congress party. So we have kept our word. We have kept our promise to the people of Assam. And Chief Minister has repeatedly lied and misled to the people of Assam. I believe he is in constant fear of losing power because he, in the future, will have to be answerable to the public. Then he will not have the Home Department to protect him. Then he will not have all that security to keep the people away from him. He has to be in the midst of people. He is afraid to answer to the people. And therefore, in the future, he might have to run away and go to Dubai or Singapore, where his interests lie, because he will not be able to face the justice demanded by the people of Assam in the future. And that is why he has forgotten his 10th September promise and is again repeating his wild and baseless story.
So Rahul Gandhi earlier said that if your party will come to the power, then Himanta Biswa Sarma will go to the jail. So if your party will come to the 2026 in Assam, then it will be reality.
Jail comes after the judge convicts. But prior to that, immediately, the day after losing power, Himanta Biswa Sarma will have to be amongst the ordinary public. The public that he has terrorized, intimidated, threatened, arrested, taken away their property by force, got them to sell their tea gardens and industry by arm twisting them. He will have to face the justice, not the justice of the court, but the justice of the people. And the very next day, he will be afraid to face the people, to look them in the eyes, and he will run away to Dubai and Singapore.
So you said that the Mallikarjun Kharge said that the RSS should be banned.